This video, we're using a clip to dominate some our creator lobbies. Watch how easy this is compared to grinding legit. Then ask yourself, why are you still playing fair? All it takes is 1 second to click the link in my description, and that's literally the hardest part. Now enough talking, I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Gameplay. Yeah, fucking little bitch.
Boy, okay?
You little fucking
Okay.
why don't buy some cheats, huh? Fucking bitch. Yeah, fuck you. Yeah, don't make me chase you. Fucking cat bitch. I think he's dead. One for that. Oh, let's not let that robot squeeze. Hey, settle down, Mexican. Hey.
No. So dark.
Bro, he killed me. Bro, he started killing me, bro. What do you mean, bro? Oh, bro. So I fucking saved my life and you just killed me? Alright, bro.
I mean,
Thank
yeah,
you,
I'm
bro.
cheating, so I have no remorse. What the fuck? Please show sympathy to this fucking loser. So cool. Hey. Hello, A. British boy. British man.